Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Hokkaidu. What's the current price of the Hokk? What's the price is occurring in the Hokk? And in this video I will tell you the latest update, the latest news about Hokk coin. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways friends, if you look the current price of the Hokk coin in the market, so now the price of the Hokk coin is 0, but that's not mean that the price of the Hokk coin is still 0 friends. That's mean that the price of the Hokk coin is very low friends. As you can see here in the points, the price of the Hokk coin is 0 friends. Now the price is very low and the price change occur in the Hokk coin is going upward. The pricing is positive, so that is why I suggest for all of you to invest in a Hokk coin friends, because the pricing is going positive. So I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. Anyways friends, let's see the price chart and let's see the price statistic of the Hokk coin. If the pricing is positive, so I think that the trading volume is also going up friends. As you can see here, as I told you that the trading volume is in positive 24.28%. The trading volume as goes upward in only in the 24-hour friends. Absolutely I really like the trading volume, and the fully diluted market is 22.16% is going upward. So as you can see here, the trading volume, my diluted market cap is going upward. So that's mean that the big jump of the Hokk coin are start now, and I think now they start a big jump. As you can see here, if we look the currently condition of the Hokk coin, so I hope if we do a technical analysis, if we just imagine the price of the Hokk coin like that they goes upward, so I think the big jump of the Hokk token are coming soon. That is why I suggest for all of you, if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so Hokk coin is a good option for all of your friends. Anyways, how do you feel about Hokk coin? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video.